Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video here to show you the unboxing of the True Spec. It's a True Spec box from GP Audio. Let's get to it. Let's see what we got up in here, y'all. Now, we got this straight from GP Audio. It runs like $220. It's for the Malibu. I decided not to make a box this time, because I didn't want to keep up all the noise. So I said $220, not bad, not a bad price. Check it out. They got it pretty much in there though. It's made of MDF. Let's get it on up out of here. Look, we have it. There we go. Had to bring that mud up out of there. It's not that big. So probably pull it back. You guys can get a good sight of it. No, it's not really that big. We're gonna take the camera off so we can check it out. All right. Perfect angle. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it. Very nice and solid. Nice port. It's tuned to 35 hertz. Again, it's tuned to 35 hertz. I'm about to do a little test fit and see if the speakers fit in there. Give me 1 second. Only gotta do one for a test fit. It's the bad looking one, but it's okay. But it fits in there perfect, man. Perfect fit. Can't ask for no better. I mean, is it gonna go crazy? Is it gonna go ham? Only thing we can do is determine if they go the good one right there. Yeah, we tool a little bit off of it because we gonna probably get like a little piece off the old one. I mean, off the DC. We might just take that piece off and we'll just replace it. We're gonna see how that's gonna turn out. But man, check the bottom of it. So it, just like I thought, it don't come with a it don't come with a like a not it don't come with a terminal, a speaker terminal. So I probably might have to put a speaker terminal in there myself, or I just might let it run out the port. What the heck? I mean, it's not illegal to do it that way. You can just run it straight, but at the same time, you want to have just only one wire running towards the port. I mean, towards the amp. Man. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. This is just step number 1 for the Malibu. We're gonna do more. I don't know if I'm gonna put them speakers. I'm gonna put them back in the car. Probably put them back in the Jeep. Like I said, we got two vehicles, so we're gonna be making a couple of moves on both vehicles. You know, the Jeep might get an upgrade as far as the amp is going. Yep. If you're new and wants to learn and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.